Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can share your photos on Google Photos with another Google account. So let's get right into it. For this, you'll be using partner sharing, which is able to be set up on all platforms. Now, you can only share with people who have a Google account, and for some people, sharing photos of specific people isn't available. It depends on your geographic region, but it probably would be available for you. If it's not, then I guess you'll have to wait. It might become available in the future, but I'm not sure. Now on PC, what you need to do to enable this is go to Google Photos, sign in, and then go into settings, partner sharing, and get started. From here, you need to enter or select an email address which you want to share with, and then select which photos you want to add. Well, either all photos of specific people, which is again region locked to some regions, and then only show photos since this day. You can choose whichever of these you want, then click next, and if everything seems right, you just send an invitation. This is pretty similar to the iOS as well. You just go into your Google Photos, then tap on your account profile photo and go into Google Photos settings, then go into sharing, partner sharing, and get started. And then the process is the same. Select an email address, select which photos you want to add, tap next, and then tap send invitation if you're all done. Now on Android, it is a bit different. There is one choice that is different. Firstly, you go into your app, and then at the top or at the bottom, depends on your system version, you'll find the sharing button with these two silhouettes. You just click on that, and at the top you just tap share with partner and get started. Then you choose either all photos or photos containing selected people, and then you choose a starting date, which is either all time or since a specific date. And to invite your partner, you just tap select partner and invite whoever you want. And if you're done with everything, you just tap confirm, and that is pretty much it. And once they accept, your photos will be shared with them, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.